Hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to retrieve card statement. So in this following video, I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So before getting started, make sure to check your internet connection and then let us get started. And once you open up your application, this is what the interface is going to look like. So after that, you'll have to tap on login. So you can log in using a touch or face ID or Digibank user ID and PIN in order to log in into your account. As you log into your account on the other page, you'll have to tap on more in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on more on the other page, you can see there is quick access and under it there are multiple options. So then you'll have to tap on e-statements, which is right in center. Once you tap on it, next page you'll be able to see all of your statements. So then you can tap on the try bar icon in the top right corner of your screen in order to apply filter and to view your statement according to your preferences. So after that, you'll have to tap on e-statement in order to view it on Digibank mobile application. So that is how you can retrieve card statement on DBS account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.